Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, in the parallelogram ABCD, angle D is 48 degree. Then, what is the measure of angle A? Consider a parallelogram ABCD with angle D as 48 degree. In parallelogram ABCD, angle D is 48 degree, which is given. As opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, so angle D equals to angle B. Since opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, so angle D equals to angle B is 48 degree. Suppose this is 1. As sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is supplementary, so angle D plus angle A is 180 degree. Since sum of the adjacent angles of parallelogram is supplementary, that is, sum of these angles is 180 degree. So angle D is 48 degree. Here it is equals to, so 48 degree plus angle A is 180 degree. So angle A equals to 180 degree minus 48 degree, that is 132 degree. Hence, measure of angle A is 32 degree. And from given options, we have option C as 132 degree. So our correct option is option C.